yadutangiye episode ya gatatu ya Freakish
on Freakish.
incamake kuri Freakish. Byose nibyo twabonye muri episode ya kabiri ni mbere.
Coach, it's not a drill. The chemical plant's on fire.
Umva chemical plant yafashwe n'umuriro.
Because what happened out there.
Ati papa akunda gutega ibisasu biri chemicale. Nibyo twabonye. Boss. Bapfuye.
Tape off all the windows and doors to limit.
Tweza tukumeme ndani tufunga amadirisha n'imiryango.
There could be more of them out there.
Ati hano hanze harimo arazibindi. Koji twabonye ariwe. Adi. Arumagashi kimugenzi.
You okay?
Meze neza?
Of course I'm okay.
Cyane meze neza. Kaga kobwa ka Mary kariwe. Gashi ka Groove. Karaje mugenzi. Kaje hakuno. Mary musaza wakavayo.
You okay? Natalie's looking for you.
Umva umeze neza. Natalie arimo aragushaka.
You worry too much.
Na urahangayika cyane.
It's kind of what a big brother does.
Ariko ngamusaza nibyo ngomba gukora.
Yeah, well, it's so freaking annoying. It's like
Rero nje binera umushinyi ukomeza kumbaza umeze neza buri
you
kanya.
have some sixth sense that I'm not okay with.
Mbanza sizi musaza nitameze neza kubera uri muri ambangamira buri kanya mwambaza umeze neza.
I so clearly am.
Meze neza na kibazo ariko baravuga mugizi gafite makanu. Arahumekera hejuru. Ntashaka kubabaza musaza we cyangwa kumuhangayikisha. Yicara iruhande.
I know what you're going through.
Ati biri muraca mu ndabizi.
Somehow I don't think that you do.
Ndacekana na kimuzi.
I was down there too, you know.
Erega nanjye ari hasi nari mpari. Sasa umusore azi yuko ibyo kabonye byagateye ubwoba.
We saw horrible things in that shelter.
Twabonye ibintu biteye ubwoba muri kiriya cyumba bakoci bari barimo. Hagaramenya ko mushiki we yari we.
Over.
Grover.
I got bit.
Narumwe. Tamwereka kuguru kwa cyane cyamuteye amenyo.
Daddy.
Ati Adi yandumye. Soza we yikangamo. Yo. Yikangamo. Buricyavuga.
You think it's gonna happen to me?
Ese bro, uraceka ari kiri bumbeho.
Nothing.
Ntacakuba.
It's gonna happen to you. We just need to stay calm.
Well, you don't see me.
Ntacakuba ikigomba gukora no gutuza.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Naye nagumeze neza nta kibazo ngiye.
Just give me a second. Okay?
Amakanya nitekerezo. Sibyo?
It really hurts.
Birababaza ariko.
I don't know if I'm gonna get sick.
Sinzi nanye niba nande nongeye kurwara.
Do you think she gave this to
Mary,
me?
it's just a bite.
Warumwe ntabirenze.
You didn't go outside.
Ntago wagiye uza hanze, ntago wagiye usohoka.
Right?
Uranyumva? Humura ko utagiye hanze. Nicyo gisubizo. Ariko ibagiye hanze nawe wakabaye wanduye.
You're fine.
Bivuze ngo umeze neza aramukomeza nkamushiki we.
As far as we know.
Sahubwo tubizi babiri ntacyo.
Mary. Nothing is gonna happen to you.
Humura ntakiri bukubeho.
I won't let it.
Kandi nubwo natumare kikubaho.
Okay?
Sibyo? Utuze.
I'm gonna go get you some bandages.
Deka nyene saki za bandage cyangwa ibipfuko ndagaruka kandi wicara gumaho. Sasa babirimo bazibanga ryabo Mary na musaza wende Grover Jones. Yakira aha sasa.
Mary, we need to do inventory while they barricade the doors.
Yewe sa Mary tugomba kugira barricades ku miryango ifunze. Je muri cafeteria tureko twapakira ibyo kurya. Dore hanze. Kirere cyozo cyangiritse. Uyu kukuza hakuno nawe. Aza muri ka pharmacy k'ikigo, muri ka clinic. Pakira imiti za bande. Pakira ibyibanze. Urukoro ibiki n'ibiki. Hano no gufata ibinini byose. Yewe urakora icyo.
Hey.
Yewe. Da.
Found it.
Ajara shana nayibonye.
Not feeling very good.
Man, numva nameze neza.
Should we be worried?
Ase duhangayike natwe se.
It's just a small fever, that's all.
Numvaga akantu k'umuriro nameze neza afite magasereri.
Just sleep it off.
Ariko ni njama birashira.
Since when does a fever need hydrogen peroxide?
Mana se kuba ufite umuriro nibyo bituma ufata hydrogen peroxide.
When do you care?
Ase bira kureba wowe kumbaza byinshi. Umuntu utwara imiti y'igike. Bano na muri kantini. Pakira ibyo kurya.
Those go in this room. See?
Yewe twerekeza hakuno hino.
So that's 53 cans for
Hano tumaze gushira amacupa 53.
No, your count is off.
Mana kubara nabe ni 51.
Hands.
Katangiye gucanganyikirwa.
But that should still last us until we get rescued.
Bino biratumaza amasaha n'amasegonda biradusunika.
Depending on who finds us first.
Mbere yuko bitubona se.
Are you okay?
Ase kuvuga ukuntu umeze neza.
I'm just hungry.
Ndashonje gusa.
Do you have any more soup?
Hano se waba ufite indi sosi?
Yeah, like the kind you had earlier, the chicken and rice.
bya biryo wariye kare isupu y'inkoko n'umuceri.
Rice.
Umuceri na
But that was over 5 hours ago. How
ibyo biryo uri kumbwana biriya amasaha 5
did
yashize
you know?
wamenye gute?
I smelled it on your breath.
Imihumekere yawe nabihumuriwe.
Is that like some party trick you do, or
Hasi ibyo bintu murakora cyangwa se
part bloodhound?
waba ufitemo urubaraga rudasanzwe se? Sasa umukobwa senses z'umubiri we atangiye guhumurirwa ibiryo mugenzi we yariye kare ngo arimo arabihumeka byumva. Bivuze ngo amazuru yatangiye kuba active arimo ararehare.
I don't know.
Sinzi ko bigenze gusa. Ntacyo.
Situation of our lives.
Twanze tutegeze ku buzima bwacu bwa none aha.
Clearly.
Ariko byo kuba amazuru yari sensitive cyane akurura cyane nabyo ni byiza. Niba bitindaho umwana atangiye guhinduka yiswe freakish turi kuri episode ya 3 nakubwira cyari Sankara da Premier wumva.
You working on the radio?
Uracakora kuri radio se?
Nice work. Any progress?
Wana byiza kabisa akazi ni keza ariko aricyo kimaze kugeraho se.
We have a signal.
Hano dufite sinyare.
Need to get someone to hear us.
Ahubwo tugerageze turebe ko hari umuntu watwumva aho ari. Arangije. Hari ibyo yakuyeyo.
Our medical inventory.
Ibyo ne bijyanye n'imiti.
And that is all the shit Grover took.
Ati ni imiti mugenzi wacu yatwaye sinzayijyanye. Wa undi Groove.
He doesn't strike me as much of a doctor.
None se ibinyubuga ko ntabizi.
Give a reason?
Hari impamvu subimaye.
Oh, he said he had a fever.
Ambwiye ko afite umuriro afite kantu ka malaria.
Or he wanted to be with you.
Cyangwa ashaka kuba ari kumwe nawe.
He seemed off his game though.
Bisanga yatariyo mikino arimo.
You seem fairly on your game.
Bisanga nawe tutwara neza muri uwo mukino w'urukundo hagati yawe na Groove.
I mean,
For a detention train wreck?
Bashaka kuvuga byari byatumye aza mu hano se.
Your words?
Ayo na magambo yasije bivuze.
Mine. So you were in for vandalism?
Ase waba bagiye muri vandalism cyangwa? Oya.
Contraband.
Icyatumye so ugumara yari cyari iki?
Murder.
Ubwicanyi.
See, I kill computer nerds.
Nica abantu babaswe nkamwe mukunda kwiga cyane computer.
Interesting.
More
than one.
Wishurenze umwe se.
Just a curious one.
Abanyamatsiko nkaye nibo bavuga ubusani wa mitana. Bazabara abarasana. Aguma ku cyombo.
This is Kent High School.
Yewe ni Kent High School.
9 survivors.
Hari abantu 9 basigaye.
Repeat. Mayday.
Sasa urabe abanyeshuri uyu nguyu byizwe ngo arimo arahamagara hanze arebe ko bakominikana nawe nta nubwo mikoro icometse. Bisa nka arimo arafenta bagenzi be.
Hi Mary, I got this stuff.
Hey Mary, nabonye imiti. Kumbe kugeraho Mary yararaho bacurangira. Yagiye kare. Aya ya mwanda. Abaye n'imiti ifite mu gakapu. Kumba abanabo bibaba yabo.
Okay, now it's not really the time.
Bashene ndetse cyatari cyo gihe.
That's not it. There's a problem.
Cyo nagari cyo kibazo.
100 problems.
Mba dufite ibibazo birenze ijana.
Not like this.
Ushaka kwitera ikindi gishingiye cy'urumogi.
Hey, how much more do you have?
None ufite ibimogi bingana iki?
Less than a day.
Ibyo mfite ntabwo byandengereza umunsi. Sasa hakuno. Wa mukobwa Mary. Imara biri bicyo bitunguranye. Arimo araswetinga buri kanya. Za hakuno. Bagenzi be. Nagare marahuza nabo akomeza hakuno. Nudo.
Hey Mary.
Bite Mary.
So you have a companion?
Abantu sanga mufite muri kumwe.
For Mrs. Shear's room?
Wakwe mu cyumba cyashiri cyane.
Yes he is.
Arashonje kano karukanye nifite hano.
So on the night watch?
Yeah.
Murari jo muri kumwe cyane.
So.
Hanze aracyari icyitwa igihu. Ntago agaragara.
You look dazed.
Hasi ko munsa n'umuntu urushye.
Did you get in my locker?
Ese ugeze muri locker yanjye?
No, I
have
a headache.
Mfite umutwe ariko ntago meze neza. Nkeneye kuruhuka.
Alright.
Sawa.
Say good night, Mr. Oink.
Nsa onki rata musezere.
Night, Mr. Oink.
Onki rata uramuki. Kobwa afite akantu k'umunaniro buri wese kumaza aramureba akabimenya. Aza hakuno. Hani imiryango yose barayifunze bakubise iki? Ibibaho kureba hanze. Si umeze neza biraho. Gize gutyo. Aricana abantu bayintu za zombie hanze. Aga maina we hera tave. Kobwa ndagikanga Kobwa afite mikibaraga. Giye cyegera inyuma. yewe
What are you doing?
nakora iki hano musaza we
Mary, what happened?
ibyo ibi byageze biti
No.
kobwa ntacyo
Let's get you bandaged up.
ngaho tugere mushyiraho za bande ndanagupfuke sasa ntibwatinze zakuna mushyiraho ka rukoro hanagura aho yakomeretse ese ngiye gupfa ntabwo uri bupfe humura
All we know is you've got a bite.
icyo tuzi cyo nuko wari umwe
It's a small but gnarly bite.
ni akantu gatoya wari umwe nabirenze nta kantu wakwandura
What are you gonna do if I change?
none se nimpinduka bro urakora iki
You can't think like that.
ibyo ntabwo ari byo ugomba gutekereza
I can already feel it happening.
kandi natangiye kubyiyumvamo uko birimo biraba ndimo ndahinduka indani kubyiyumvamo
Natalie had soup this morning and somehow I knew.
natari ibintu yariye mu gitondo namwegeye numva muri we arimo arabihumeka byamwinjije mu maraso
Let me guess, you smelt it on her breath?
ye wumvishe natari bimuhumuraho amazuru yanjye atangiye gukora ibintu umuntu yariye mu gitondo ndimo namwumva bihumeka indani muri we sister
You're still warm.
ndumva ugishyushye
Go get you some water.
kajyane ngushakira amazi sibyo aracyari nkeneye
This cake.
nkeneye test cake
Right. I'll see if there's one left.
ndaza kureba niba hari indi isigaye wowe tuzi ugumaho sibyo ndakuzanira sasa hakuno mu kigo ntiyabura binjiza utuyoga utuntu nk'utwo uyakiraho iyi acaho bya biryo byo mu bikombe ahantu ari ni muri za loka abanyeshuri babika ibintu byabo maniga afite umunyururu waziga icyamutera cyose bagigira yitonze kumbere nyamunini kiri ikinyururu hasi rikanga
Hungry?
ashonje na
I realize it's not a free-for-all, but this is not what you think.
ati rwose nabizi ko ibiryo bitemerewe kuba byabikwa na buri umwe ariko ntabwo ari byo utekereza sanga maniga arimo ari ibi biryo umukobwa wabipakiye
Think.
wowe se watekereza niba utekereza iki
I think you've been stealing food.
ndakeka uri muri ibi byo kurya
It's not that much.
ntabwo ari byinshi nibyo ariko
Look at all.
mbabarira ntubijyane nabikuramo
Seriously? What is this, like 10 cans?
uducupa icumi twose ujyanye
Explain.
nagusobanurira
Doctor prescribed.
muganga arabinegetse
Yeah, because there's 2 of you to feed.
yagutegetse kurya amwitegereje
How far along are you?
ifite amezi angahe kumva umukobwa mugenzi aratwite muganga yamutegetse ibiporezo bihagije
8 months.
ndifite amezi 8
You can't tell anyone.
ariko ndakunyuza nugira umuntu ubwira ko ntwite n'ukuri
You can't do this on your own.
ibi ntabwo wabyicoboza na situation turimo indasi ikintu cyo guhisha
Look around you.
manzu ureba bituzengurutse
No one is gonna help. No.
nta muntu uri bumfashe ntabwo ari nonaha
All they're gonna see is a big mistake.
icyo bari bubone ni uko nakoze amakosa ahambaye
Not a mistake.
wa mukobwa uri umuswe gutwita nta kosa ririmo
Trust me.
nyizera ibi byari
I even
iki
told my own parents about it.
n'ababyeyi banjye ubwabo sindababwira ko ntwite maniga aramubwira ati inda mu bibazo turimo ntabwo ari ikintu cyo guhisha maniga arangije mugenzi nk'umuntu
We all have secrets.
ati twese muri isi tugira amabanga yacu umura ntabwo nakuvamo ibiryo ntiyabijyana disi ahitamo kumuhishira sasi nawe arimo ararwana no gufasha mushiki we
Sure know how to treat a girl.
ako musore mazi uzi gufata neza abakobwa
Are you following me?
hasi urimo urankurikirana
twin.
rwose ni nk'andi mpanga yawe
That's what-
ariko mbi
It's me.
ushaka kuvuga iki
I mean, you're usually not a dick.
ndakeka utari umusore w'umuswa cyangwa umusore mubi
This may come as a shock to you, but my
hasi
world
biragutunguye ko barimo nafashe umuntu
does not revolve around you.
ntabwo abantu bose isura ntabwo izenguruka kuri wowe gusa abantu winesha umutwe
Mayday. Do you read?
mayday do you read
Mayday.
mayday sasa uyibuke arimo arigira nk'umuntu uri guhamagara ubundi bufasha kandi mikoro iracomoye
All right, it's done.
nta byose byaciyemo
Boys in.
nta muntu uravugana se
Look.
nta mahirwe nta muntu uritaba
We still here, ain't we?
ewe nta muntu turumva nawe kabisa
You mean despite all your technical wizardry?
If the freaks get in, I can still outrun you.
mwana ngeriga nawe ubona ko nta kimwe uramushyiramo
Don't forget that.
ibyo ntubyibagirwe
Here's our tally of food. We
dore
have
ibiryo twari dufite ngibi ngibi
enough to last for a while.
dore urebe igihe biri bumare
Quantify a while.
nta biratumaze akanya da
With careful rationing, just under 2 weeks.
icyo nabaza icyo nuko twabigabana hagati yacu ibyumweru bibiri.
It won't last that long.
Ntabwo byamara ibyumweru bibiri. Ati ntabwo turumara ibyumweru bibiri tukibazimo.
They know we're in here.
Birabizwe sasa umukobwa Mary atanyabwa ati ibiri hanze za zombie zirabizwe turimo indani.
They know we're in here.
They know we're in here. Ati zombies zirabizwe turimo indani.
The freaks?
The freaks ziri hanze?
Yeah, I didn't notice any.
Ntacyo nigeze menya njyewe.
You have to know where to look.
Mcherekane utanareba.
They hide in the haze.
Birimo birisha muri kiriya gihu.
But they're coming.
Usibye ko birimo biraza.
They're trying to get in.
Birimo baragerageza kwinjira. Kobwa sanga arimo arababwira ibintu biri bube ariko abantu bagasobanukirwa.
Let them try.
Reka bagerageza kwinjira maninga bahazura umujyi afite bati mu ntoki.
Your strength won't be enough.
Imbaraga zawe ntago zagije musore.
They know where you're hiding.
Bimenya aho wihishe kubera impumeko yawe.
They can sense things that we don't.
Byabishaka kuba byakumva natwe ibintu tutabasha kumva.
Okay, this freshman chick's really
Kobwa arimo
freaking me.
aradukanga bana cyangwa.
Yeah, I'm not worried.
Bako nta butaka nta wakwanga nibyo.
They can't even get through the shelter doors.
Nta nubwo byarenga ku miryango urya ifunze.
Not yet.
Ntabwo igihe kiragera pe.
I don't scare that easily.
Ntabwo njye nta kintu gipfa kunkanga gutyo gusa peti. Nta kintu gipfa kunkanga nkuko bitekereza.
Yes, you do.
Ahubwo ugira ubwoba bw'ikirenga.
You're a pretender.
Usibye ko uri umuntu uzi kurenzaho pretender. Wigira nkaho nta bwoba ufite kandi niwe bwa mbere uri nyabwoba.
Did I pretend to build a radio?
No, ni radio narigize nkaho ndimo ndayubaka se.
They can smell your fear.
Biriya bintu bishaka guhumurirwa n'ubwoba bwawe.
What about you?
Naho wowe.
How long do you think you'll last?
Yose uracyari kuri umara igihe kingana iki? Sangusekamo fa kuba nkubwiye.
I'm gonna say it now.
Mwana njye kubivuga none aha.
That girl is high as...
Kobwa niba atasinze.
Honey,
Ahubwo arasekeje.
thinking the same thing.
Nani mbere gutekereza.
Better keep an eye on Mary.
Bibaye byiza uyu mukobwa umuntu yamuhozaho ijisho. Sasa bikangamo. Uyu mukobwa umuntu amuhozaho ijisho. Mary kubera kwiheba. Ari kumva muri atangiye guhinduka. Aza kuno gucuranga. Mu kigo Mary nta kandi kazi munyenzi. Pacuranga uruhu rwatangiye korohera. Imirya y'intango bibwa ikamukata. Munyenzi uruhu rwe rwatangiye guhinduka bushikarete. Kaga kopko kari hakuno. Kamwe Grover atereta mu kigo abayo.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Ase kundeba nabi ari cyo ufite nawe.
Are you okay?
Meze neza mata.
I don't like you.
Nago nkunda mukobwa we.
So get in line.
Ngaho rero jya mu murongo.
You use boys.
Kunda gukoresha abasore.
And who are you to judge?
None uri nuntira urubanza.
You don't know me.
Ntago nzi.
Brother's one of a kind.
Musaza wanjye nagomba kumera nkabo.
Do you understand me?
Uranyumva?
He is not a toy.
Musaza wanjye nagari ikinisho cyawe.
He's gentle.
Ni umusore mwiza muto kandi witonda.
Treat him that way.
Nagari kugomba kumufata.
Not even with your brother.
Umvana ngo nkundana musaza wawe.
Look after him.
Bibaye byiza wamwitonda ukamwifataho neza.
You take care of him.
Ugenda
or I
umwitaho
will hunt you down.
cyangwa nzaguhige.
Do you understand?
Uranyumva?
I don't know what your damage is,
Mwana sinzi cyo ufite cyo mu mutwe.
but we're all doing our best here.
Gusa hano buri umwe aragiza gukora ibyo ashoboye. Sazo wakabwa nafite mu mutwe abaniye. Kumbe ka Mary katangiye guhinduka. Gasura katangiye guhinduka umweru. Karangije. Maraso ari mu rwunyunyu. Sasa uyu nawe agira gutya abandi bose bahavuye. Hana afite kapini acomekamo hano. Yarangiza yambara bya headphones comeka mikoro.
Keyword.
Jambo ry'ibanga
Flashpoint Zulu.
Flashpoint Zulu. Sasa bisa nkaho radio irimo irakorana n'abantu waza ariko maniga yabayishe.
Welcome back, Zulu.
Urakaza neza Zulu. Niyo code hano bakoresha kugira bamenye ko ari gwe. Arimo aravugana n'abanza abandi batabizi. Bwatinze. Hano harabari gusonga.
That's your meds.
Bari muri ibi miti sha.
Is that true?
Byaba ari ukuri. Bakiriye amakuru.
Violent.
Yeah, she was
Violent.
So
nta mukobwa yari ahangayitse Violet natwe ahangayitse
I wasn't stashing anything.
nta kintu ndimo ndeba mwana
I went to the medic's office because I
nagiye muri biro yo babika imiti
was feeling sick.
you don't look
numvaga ndwaye
sick.
umwana nagusa nk'umuntu urwaye
Your sister was worried too.
na mushyo yari ahangayitse
She just went off the deep end on all of us.
yagiye natwe tubikamo ikintu cy'ubwoba
Said we was gonna die.
bisa nkaho yaragiye gupfa
She did?
atubwira ngo natwe tugiye gupfa
Yeah,
yabivuze
did.
yabivuze mwana
What aren't you telling us?
hasi hari icyo urimo uraduhisha bro nicyo uri guhisha papa
There's nothing. We're all good here.
mwana ntacyo ndimo ndahisha twese tumeze neza
Oh shit, what are you hiding?
mwana tubwire urimo urahisha iki
You'll get your meds back.
muhumure imiti ndayisubizayo
But you need to get out of my way right
mukeneye mukeneye mumve mu nzira ntambuke atangira guserera
The counselor said I don't respond well to threats.
umva mwana ntabwo dushaka ibintu byo kutubeshya kuba tubikamo ubwoba butari ngombwa
the point.
bafite ingingo
Easy.
byoroshye mwana
Come on, man, let him go.
mureke agende bro mureke Grova arikomereza kugera hano asanga mushiki we
Mary?
amanota yayataye
Oh my God.
mana nyagasa
What happened?
ntabwo si byabaye
You let me know before.
aya manota nacuranga nari nyazi kuva na mbere kumbe dayima aracuranga n'imirya yacitse kare
What's happening?
burura n'ibyo uri kumbaho sister humura kozi yatangiye guhinda umuriro
You can't tell them about this.
utagira icyo babwira sibyo
They're
babarira
gonna want to lock me up.
ndabizi barahita bashyira mu kato muri karantini baramfungirana
I'm not going to tell any of the others, but Mary, they're starting to ask questions,
umva ndabizi nta muntu ndi bwaye ko Mary batangiye kumbaza ibibazo byinshi
and I can't do
Well, then
anything
stop.
about it.
ntacyo nabikora mwaceceka amaso
Tell them that I'm resting.
ngagenda babwire ko nduhutse basi umfungirane njyenyine
Buy us time, please.
basi migiye ndi kumwe bro ndakwinginze babe mfungira nawe benshi ko nduhutse batangiye kubaza byinshi ntabwo naguhishira
But don't move.
ariko utavano sibyo ugumemo hano paka gakobwa mugenzi katangiye guhinduka
I don't know.
simbizi
Set. I'm telling you, the codes were set.
sasa umukobwa kubera ko amatwi ye bakurura cyane
I don't know what to do.
arimo arumva abantu bose bari kuvuga ijambo ry'ibanga hari ibyo mbere ari muri sare bwa hagati arimo arumva amajwi hakurya hakuno ko abantu baganira tayari
Somehow they knew.
hari ukuntu babimenye
Valhalla knew, and they're still
Valhalla arabizi
operational.
ariko aracyari operation zijya mbere sinzi arimo aravugana n'abandi agize gutya abona hari uri kumwumva buretse
Wait.
wibuka yari yarabice yuko hari abo hanze bavugana yewe umva arakomeye Mary
I can explain.
nagusobanurira umva ariko ubuza kwamvugana n'abantu bo hanze mva mubwire abandi abayishe gafite abandi akominikana nabo hari umuvumbuye Mary aramukurikira jami ndani sasa kananga
Where are you?
yewe uri hey rimara agenda patana akantu kameze nk'akafera beto ucana nayo itara yewe
hell are you doing?
urakoresha Mary rekera Mary yahindutse yabaye urwirungu tayari hey
He's been in there for like an hour.
ati mbanza sinzi ko wari bugumane paka
If you ask me, he shouldn't even come out.
yewe njye mbabagira inama n'uriya musore ntiyasohoka
No one asked you.
ariko nta n'uwabikubajije
If she can get sick from freaks, that means we can get sick from her.
bivuze ngo niba yanduzwe na biriya bintu byaturutse hanze dushobora kuba nawe yatwanduza
I say we lock her up and stay the hell back.
ati icyo nsaba ni kimwe n'uko twamufunya twe tukaguma hano tumeze neza
He's right. It's not safe.
ibyo umukobwa avuga nibyo nta mutekano hariya mukobwa atujemo twakwandura twese
What, like she's some animal?
none se mushaka kumwita inyamaswa
Still a human being.
nawe aracyari umuntu
Just like Addie was.
nk'uko
Just
adi nawe yari ameze
like all of them were.
nk'uko bose bari ameze
No threat to us.
ariko nta n'ikibazo yadutwara
Even if she turned, she
You mean when?
kaba nubwo yahinduka ryari
When she turns,
nahinduka
Mary can't leave that room.
Mary ntabwo yava muri kiriya cyumba aragumamo arajya mu kato
Look, I hate to admit it, but he's right.
mwana njye sinabihakana ariko usibye ko ibyo avuga ari ukuri nahinduka agume mu kato
I mean, look at her.
mwana murebe ukuntu ameze bro
She's a threat to all of us.
kuri twese yatubyarira ibibazo nta kindi.
Not to Grover.
Ariko kuri musaza wese.
Grover will do anything he can to save her. That's
Grover we yakora icyo ashoboye cyose kugira ngo arebe ko yatabara mushiki we.
exactly why we can't trust him.
Ariko niyo mpamvu natwe tutamwizera.
Dude, at least he cares about her.
Which is
Yaba nawe yita kuri mushiki we.
exactly why we should trust him.
None se iyo niyo mpamvu tutatuma turi tumwizera.
Why didn't he tell us about her?
None se ubundi kuki atatubwiye ko mushiki we arwaye kuva na kare?
Why did he hide her from us?
Kuki yabiduhishe?
Because I have a sinking feeling
Kubera ko nyafite ukuntu ndimo nabyumva n'ibyiyumviro byanjye.
we're gonna figure that out the hard way.
Turabimenya mu buryo bukomeye. Impamvu yabiduhishe. Hambiriye mushiki we.
Mary?
Mary.
Mary, I'm here for you.
Mary ndari ku bwawe, sibyo? Gashikike.
Say something.
Mary gira icyo umbwira. Gira icyo uvuga. Mugenzi igerezaho ugutwi. Ati kill me nyica. Kugira mugenzi njye kubagora. Njye kubatesha umutwe nahindutse. Unyicire. Banaho baza kuduporezo.
More peas?
Hari ukeneye amashazo?
Grover come down yet?
Grover nagaraza kurya.
What do you think?
Tekereza iki?
He knows we're pissed at him.
Bizi ko twamurakariye.
So?
Ahubwo ni nako yemeza.
This isn't easy for him either.
Yewe ntago yimworoye namwe namwe gusa kuza mwasama.
This isn't easy for any of us.
Muri twese na numwe byoroheye.
This has been delightful. Gotta get moving.
Mwana nje kancomoke byari byiza gusangira namwe. Dance kagakobwa ka Violet. Kavayo. Neko mugenzi bajyaga bapingana mu kigo gahorana umushiha. Ati baye byiza baza ukarya.
I did everything that I could.
Nakoze ibyo nari nshoboye. Ariko nk'umuntu byanze.
There's just too many of them.
Ati byanga byakundu yabahindutse ni benshi.
This is not your fault.
Ati musore nagara amakosa yawe.
But hiding her.
Gusa kumuhisha. Ati nibyo nari nshoboye kuba nakora. Naye nakoze ibyo nshoboye nk'umuntu.
Let her sleep, Grover.
Ngamureka ryame Grover.
Come down and eat.
Ngwino hasi basu nabona icyo urya. Bari ku munsi wa kabiri nta kintu baraporeza. Danje aramworosa. Bande yari hasi barimo araporeza. Tayari. Hey. Ndakubwiye uruganda rwaturitse. Baheze mu kigo. Ngenzi nyamunini nawe arimo ararira. Nyiribimogi nawe yari asigaje kimwe cy'uyu munsi. Ntabwo narekera kumutekereza uriya mukobwa.
About Addie.
Adi ntabwo narekera kumutekereza. Yewe wibyishyiramo cyane.
I can almost hear her voice.
Ati rero ndacyumva amajwi ye mu matwi yanjye.
She had so much trust in me.
Ati niyo muntu wanyizeraga kurusha n'abandi.
And I let her down.
Ntabwo nigeze mutererana. Witekereza nabi.
So coach said.
Na coach niko yavugaga. Nimba yagiye byakire.
When you're going through hell, just keep going.
Niba uri mwana jana mu kuzimu komeza ugende. Nta mahitemere guna afite. Ibyago byaje cyukura byakira. Gerageza urebe ko waruhuka. Kumbuye akaryamya. Wa mukobwa Mary uko ari hakuno tabari yaragize arahinduka. Ndacekira yaruka igenze. Nimuti kwizikurikira ndacyariwe Samaro Hasta la vista. Bayitaga freakish. Ndabakunda cyane cyane. Right.